Doing?
Eating garbage.
Why?
Because it tastes good.
What?
Because it tastes good.
You shouldn't eat garbage.
Why not?
Because it's bad for you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you should eat green stuff like broccoli and spinach and, you know.
You?
No, not me. Of course not me.
I think I'll keep eating garbage.
Okay, suit yourself.
Oh, man, my tummy hurts.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. No problem.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm great. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh.
I don't think you are.
Oh no, really, I'm okay. Don't mind that mess. Oh. Oh.
I don't think you are.
Oh.
Maybe you ate too much garbage.
Oh, you really think so?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I just feel so terrible. Oh, is there anything you could do to help?
Okay, wait there. I'm gonna go get something green for you. Alright?
Okay, anything.
Okay.
Oh, I am never gonna eat garbage again. Oh, that was the worst night of my life.
Here, eat that.
What's this?
It's vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yes, vegetables.
Oh, that green stuff you were talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this stuff isn't too bad after all. Huh.
I told you.
Yeah, it's kind of good. I'm starting to feel a lot better.
That's what I eat every day.
Oh, wow. Maybe I'll eat this every day too and stop eating garbage.
Good.
Thanks. That's really helpful. You are so nice.
You're welcome. Do you want to come with me and go somewhere?
Okay.